So here's how you can see Word documents in the Apple Watch. So as you know, there are some apps obviously on the iPhone which do support Word documents, like there's the Microsoft Word and Pages from Apple, but these apps just don't have the support for the Apple Watch. It's only just iPhone, iPad, Apple Vision, but it's not for the Apple Watch. But there are some other apps which technically have, or some different document files which have a version of the Apple Watch. So if you go to Documents Pro or look up this kind of app, you can see that I did download it, and this one also has the Apple Watch version. So technically, when I open it up, you can see that you can bring in, import, or start new documents right here. So this document page is also going to be synced with the Apple Watch. There's going to be a new app which shows up, and using this, I should be able to access the document right here and, be able to just view it and stuff like this. So that is one option. Also, another possibility is to just check out some different Documents app on the App Store of the Apple Watch specifically, so you know that there is an app for the watch. There are some other ones as well, so if you perhaps notice that you like this one a bit more, you can try this specific one. Essentially, what I looked up was the word document, and there are plenty of apps which technically get the job done, so yeah, you can kind of check it out there. And also, one other option is to literally save it as a photo. If you quickly want to save some document on your watch, what you could do is something like this. So for example, I opened up the Apple Pages, I typed in a couple of different words and just an example, right? And what you can do is you can take a screenshot like this, and then you could technically just crop it to leave out the unimportant information, and then you can save it to Photos, right? Then I'm going to move over to the Photos app. Here is the screenshot, and the way that I have it set up is that when I click on the heart icon, it's also automatically going to show up inside of my Apple Watch. So you can see I can just get inside, and I have this document right here, which I can look at and stuff like this. So this is a good alternative, even though right now it's just a picture. It's no longer a document, but it's a very quick way on how you can just put this on your Apple Watch. So that's my approach. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. But for now, that's going to be about it. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you later on in the next tutorial.